Right now, there are Facebook pages posting 5, 10, even 20 times a day, every week, every month. They never run out of content, and a lot of them are growing faster than pages managed by full teams. If you've ever wondered how that's possible, here's what's actually happening. It starts with understanding what Facebook's algorithm is actually rewarding. Look at any motivation page pulling thousands of likes and hundreds of shares per post. The content isn't complicated. No Hollywood productions, no elaborate editing, simple quote graphics, mindset lessons, success tips, short text posts that take 3 seconds to consume. The format is almost irrelevant. But now look at the posting frequency. 1 hour ago, 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 7 hours ago. The page never stops. That consistency isn't just discipline, it's a distribution strategy. Every post you publish gets tested against a small audience first. Meta measures whether people stop and engage or keep scrolling. If they engage, the content gets pushed further. If they don't, it gets buried. A page posting 20 times a day is running 20 separate tests every single day, constantly feeding the algorithm data about who the audience is and what they respond to. Volume creates data. Data unlocks distribution. That's why those pages grow the way they do. Most people never get there because the manual process collapses before the algorithm ever gets enough data to work with. Building a Facebook page sounds simple until you're actually doing it. First you need a niche, then a page name, then a bio, then profile images, then content ideas, then captions, then graphics, then scheduling, then repeating the entire process tomorrow. Most people spend more time setting things up than actually growing the page. And even the ones who push through the setup hit a wall when they realize they have to do it all over again the next day and the day after that indefinitely. This is exactly what AI has changed. Instead of building everything from scratch, you select your niche. Motivation, finance, history, Christianity, news, sports, almost anything. The AI generates page name options, writes a professional bio, creates image prompts for your branding, and builds out the visual identity of the page. In seconds, you go from nothing to a complete page foundation ready to launch, before you've posted a single piece of content. Then comes the part that actually drives growth, and instead of guessing what to post, you add a few Facebook pages that are already performing well in your niche. Pages that already understand the audience. Pages that are already getting the engagement you want. These become your inspiration sources. The system studies them, not to copy them blindly, but to extract the patterns, the topics that keep coming up, the writing style that resonates, the post formats that get shared. The more inspiration sources you add, the more signal the system has to work from. You're not guessing what might work. You're learning directly from pages that are already succeeding. What that process looks like manually is hours of scrolling Facebook, saving posts, taking notes, writing new versions, creating graphics, and scheduling everything one by one. AI does it in minutes. Quote posts, motivational graphics, text-based content, even videos, all matched to your niche, all generated inside a single workflow, 100 posts in the time it used to take to make one. And then there's the consistency layer, which is where most pages actually fail. It's not that people run out of ideas or lose interest in their niche. Life gets busy. One missed day becomes two becomes a week. Then the page goes quiet. The algorithm stops pushing content and the momentum disappears. Meta punishes inconsistency because an unreliable page is a bad bet for distribution. But once you've generated a large batch of content, you set your posting schedule. Every 2 hours, every 4 hours, 5 times a day, whatever the strategy calls for. And the system handles the rest. Content goes out while you're working. Content goes out while you're sleeping. The page stays active. The algorithm keeps getting fed, and the audience keeps growing without you sitting at a computer all day. This is the difference between creators who build pages and creators who build systems. Most people are creating one post at a time, manually, hoping consistency somehow happens. The pages that dominate their niches built a workflow that runs without them. One that keeps posting, keeps testing, keeps collecting data, even when they're offline. AI doesn't make content magically go viral. What it does is remove the bottleneck that kills most pages before the algorithm ever gets enough information to help them. The creators who win on Facebook over the next few years won't be the ones with the most time or the most talent. They'll be the ones who figured out how to build systems.